Hello pop-uppers, I'm Cheche. Here's another video of pop-up illustration for you to enjoy. Wanna know how I made it? Then keep watching. First of all, let's make a model. Remember, model is very important to visualize the final output. So, we're going to make those mushrooms over there and this bridge here with an automatic pull strip design. This is our spread. I have designed it already. So, let's start making the bridge first. Let's cut a thick paper or a cardboard according to your desired size. Then, draw two guidelines in the middle of the paper. I had cut one earlier already and it should look like this. So now, let's just follow our model. I intentionally made this model first as our guide so that you can see and follow easily how to do it. Let's make tabs on both ends. Place the other end on the crease, then fold so that the other half is a bit longer. Then, on this longer half, draw a line below the center crease. It should look like this. Then we're going to cut out the strip inside just a centimeter from the guideline, just like this one. On the other end, we will cut the strip like this. Make a little cut just above the crease to leave tabs on both sides. Okay, our strip for the bridge is done. However, I prefer to use the one that I've made already earlier because it is much thinner. So here it is. I colored it already to look like a real bridge, and we're going to attach it later. For now, let's prepare the other pop-up elements like the mushrooms. They should stand in the middle of the spread like this. Let's create a crease on the mushroom, depending on how you position it on the paper. Then, cut the middle of the tab to create an angle so that it would stand and pop up. Now, let's put up the bridge. It's better to put glue first so that when you already found the right spot where you can place the bridge, you don't have to move the strip anymore. In order for it to pop up successfully, place the end of the strip right in the middle of the spread. Then, glue and place the tabs of the other end onto the paper. Okay, so you see, when you open the book, the bridge will automatically be pulled because of the tab that is attached to the other half of the spread. Alright, so you see it here that I added some more elements, like bushes, to have a better look. But I want to add some more, like these cute little bunnies. Pop-uppers, this pop-up mechanism is from the pop-up channel on YouTube by Duncan Birmingham. If you're interested, the links are in the description below. Okay, pop-uppers, this is the final look of our pop-up illustration. That's all for today. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye!